Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.
In this video, you will learn 20 the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Shaz. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we will include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new word and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in the previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard, deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is bahar nikalna. Take out. Bahir nikalna. Bahir nikalna. Take out. बराहे मेहरबानी क्या आप कूड़ा करकट बाहर निकाल सकते हैं? Can you take out the trash, please? बराहे मेहरबानी क्या आप कूड़ा करकट बाहर निकाल सकते हैं? Waiter. 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 मैं वेटर को बुलाऊंगा. I will call the waiter. मैं वेटर को बुलाऊंगा. मौसम का हाल. Weather report. मौसम का हाल. मौसम का हाल. Weather report. कश्ती रानी पर जाने से पहले मौसम के हाल का जायजा ले लें. Check the weather report before going sailing. कश्ती रानी पर जाने से पहले मौसम के हाल का जायजा ले लें. Centigrade. Celsius. Centigrade. Centigrade. Celsius. पानी 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर जम जाता है. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. पानी 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर जम जाता है. TV show. TV show. TV show. TV show. TV show. इसका पसंदीदा टीवी शो आज रात को चलना है. Her favorite TV show is on tonight. इसका पसंदीदा टीवी शो आज रात को चलना है. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दौड़ना. जॉगिंग. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दौड़ना. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दौड़ना. जॉगिंग. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दौड़ना तफरीह है. जॉगिंग इज फन. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दौड़ना तफरीह है. फास्ट फूड. फास्ट फूड. फास्ट फूड. फास्ट फूड. फास्ट फूड. मुझे फास्ट फूड पसंद है. I like fast food. मुझे फास्ट फूड पसंद है। पार्क, 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 पार्क। बहुत से होटल तफरीही पार्क के करीब वाक़े हैं। Many hotels are located near the amusement park. बहुत से होटल तफरीही पार्क के करीब वाक़े हैं। ट्रैफिक लाइट, ट्रैफिक लाइट, ट्रैफिक लाइट, ट्रैफिक लाइट, ट्रैफिक लाइट। इस शहर में कोई ट्रैफिक लाइटें मौजूद नहीं हैं। There are no traffic lights in this city. इस शहर में कोई ट्रैफिक लाइटें मौजूद नहीं हैं। इशारा, साइन, इशारा, इशारा, साइन। रुकने के इशारे को देखकर रुक जाएं। Stop when you see the stop sign. रुकने के इशारे को देखकर रुक जाएं। Subway, 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 subway। मेरा पसंदीदा रेस्टोरेंट सबवे है। My favorite restaurant is Subway. मेरा पसंदीदा रेस्टोरेंट सबवे है। ट्रेन स्टेशन, ट्रेन स्टेशन, ट्रेन स्टेशन, ट्रेन स्टेशन, ट्रेन स्टेशन। माफ़ कीजिएगा, ट्रेन स्टेशन कहाँ है? Excuse me, where is the train station? माफ़ कीजिएगा, ट्रेन स्टेशन कहाँ है? 500, 500, 500, 500, 500। मेरा घर यहाँ से 500 मीटर के फासले पर है। My house is 500 meters from here. मेरा घर यहाँ से 500 मीटर के फासले पर है। 999, 999, 999, 999, 999। हमने तकरीब के लिए 999 कुर्सियाँ खरीदी। We bought 999 chairs for the event. हमने तकरीब के लिए 999 कुर्सियाँ खरीदी। 101, 101, 101, 101, 101। मेरा स्कोर 101 था। My score was 101. मेरा स्कोर 101 था। 400, 400, 400, 400, 400। स्टेडियम में एक लैप 400 मीटर लंबी है. One lap in the stadium is 400 meters long. स्टेडियम में एक लैप 400 मीटर लंबी है. 900 900 900 900 900 कदीम चम्मच 900 साल पुराना था. The antique spoon was 900 years old. कदीम चम्मच 900 साल पुराना था. इंच 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 इंच. मैंने अभी अभी 40 इंच का फ्लैट स्क्रीन टेलीविजन खरीदा. I just bought a 40-inch flat screen television. मैंने अभी अभी 40 इंच का फ्लैट स्क्रीन टेलीविजन खरीदा. किलोग्राम 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 किलोग्राम. 1 किलोग्राम में 1000 ग्राम होते हैं. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. 1 किलोग्राम में 1000 ग्राम होते हैं. सेंटीमीटर 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 सेंटीमीटर. मुझे एक 10 सेंटीमीटर मोटा गद्दा चाहिए. I need a 10 centimeter thick mattress. मुझे एक 10 सेंटीमीटर मोटा गद्दा चाहिए. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at urdupod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You will also get examples, sentences, custom flashcard, decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Alvida.
Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
It's 10 p.m.
अभी 10 बजे हैं. अभी 10 बजे हैं.
It's hot.
गर्मी है. गर्मी है.
Thank you.
शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया.
It was yesterday.
कल हुआ था. कल हुआ था.
What about next week?
अगले हफ्ते हो सकता है. अगले हफ्ते हो सकता है.
Goodbye.
अलविदा. अलविदा.
No problem.
कोई मसला नहीं. कोई मसला नहीं.
I really appreciate it.
मैं वाकई इसकी कदरदानी करता हूँ. मैं वाकई इसकी कदरदानी करता हूँ.
Hello.
हेलो. हेलो.
It was last month.
गुज़िश्ता माह. गुज़िश्ता माह.
I'm afraid I can't make it.
मैं नहीं आ सकूँगा. मैं नहीं आ सकूँगा.
Nice to meet you.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई।
Delicious.
मज़ेदार। मज़ेदार।
It's difficult.
ये मुश्किल है। ये मुश्किल है।
Make yourself at home.
अपना ही घर समझें। अपना ही घर समझें।
How have you been?
तुम कैसे हो? तुम कैसे हो?
This is for you.
ये आपके लिए है। ये आपके लिए है।
Don't worry.
फिक्र ना करो। फिक्र ना करो।
Really?
वाकई? वाकई?
Please forgive me.
बराए मेहरबानी मुझे माफ़ कर दो। बराए मेहरबानी मुझे माफ़ कर दो।
I don't like it.
मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है। मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है।
What time is it?
क्या वक्त हुआ है? क्या वक्त हुआ है?
Awesome.
ज़बरदस्त। ज़बरदस्त।
Help.
बचाओ। बचाओ।
What's your phone number?
आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है?
Slower, please.
बराहे मेहरबानी थोड़ा आहिस्ता। बराहे मेहरबानी थोड़ा आहिस्ता।
Once again, please.
बराहे मेहरबानी एक बार फिर। बराहे मेहरबानी एक बार फिर।
Long time no see.
तवील अरसे से मुलाकात नहीं हुई। तवील अरसे से मुलाकात नहीं हुई।
I have no money.
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं।
Where are you?
तुम कहाँ हो? तुम कहाँ हो?
I need a doctor.
मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है। मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है।
Call the police.
पुलिस को कॉल की जाए। पुलिस को कॉल की जाए।
Hold on.
रुको रुको
My vacation starts in 2 weeks.
मेरी छुट्टी 2 हफ्ते में शुरू हो रही है। मेरी छुट्टी 2 हफ्ते में शुरू हो रही है।
When is it?
ये कब है? ये कब है?
When is your birthday?
आपकी सालगिरह कब है? आपकी सालगिरह कब है?
Where do you work?
आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं?
I understand.
मैं समझता हूँ। मैं समझता हूँ।
What did you say?
आपने क्या कहा? आपने क्या कहा?
My mother is well.
मेरी माँ ठीक है। मेरी माँ ठीक है।
Sorry to keep you waiting.
इंतज़ार की माज़रत। इंतज़ार की माज़रत।
How are you?
आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं?
How many people are there in your family?
आपके ख़ानदान में कितने लोग हैं? आपके ख़ानदान में कितने लोग हैं?
Congratulations.
मुबारक हो। मुबारक हो।
Never mind.
कोई बात नहीं। कोई बात नहीं।
Don't mention it.
कोई बात नहीं। कोई बात नहीं।
Do you understand?
आपको समझ आई? आपको समझ आई?
Happy anniversary.
शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो। शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो।
In this video, you'll learn 20 the most common words and phrases in Urdu. Hi everybody, my name is Shaz. Welcome to the 800 Core Urdu Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Urdu. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, you'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you have learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at urdupod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Urdu. Okay, let's get started. First is torna, break. Torna, तोड़ना, break. मैंने बर्तनों को धोते हुए अपनी प्लेटों में से एक को तोड़ दिया. I broke one of my plates while washing the dishes. मैंने बर्तनों को धोते हुए अपनी प्लेटों में से एक को तोड़ दिया. जख्म, cut, जख्म, जख्म, cut. लड़का गिरा और इसकी टांग पर गहरा जख्म आया. The boy fell and has a deep cut on his leg. लड़का गिरा और इसकी टांग पर गहरा जख्म आया. मोचाना, sprain. मोचाना, मोच आना, sprain. खिलाड़ी के टखने में मोच आ गई. The athlete sprained his ankle. खिलाड़ी के टखने में मोच आ गई. Microwave oven, microwave oven, microwave oven, microwave oven, microwave oven. माइक्रोवेव ओवन बावर्ची खाने के इस्तेमाल की सबसे करामत चीज है. The most convenient kitchen appliance is the microwave oven. माइक्रोवेव ओवन बावर्ची खाने के इस्तेमाल की सबसे कारआमद चीज है. फ्रिज, refrigerator, fridge, fridge, refrigerator. मेरी फ्रिज फलों से भरी हुई है. My refrigerator is full of fruits. मेरी फ्रिज फलों से भरी हुई है. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर बहुत कम आवाज है. This vacuum cleaner is very quiet. ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर बहुत कम आवाज है. पसीना आना. Sweat. पसीना आना. पसीना आना. Sweat. जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मसालेदार खाना खाता हूँ तो मेरे चेहरे पर पसीना आ जाता है. My face sweats when I eat very spicy foods. जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मसालेदार खाना खाता हूँ तो मेरे चेहरे पर पसीना आ जाता है. आमद की इत्तला करना. Check in. आमद की इत्तला करना. आमद की इत्तला करना. Check in. आमद की इत्तला करने का वक्त क्या है? What time is check-in? आमद की इत्तला करने का वक्त क्या है? कमरा नंबर. रूम नंबर. कमरा नंबर. कमरा नंबर. रूम नंबर. आपका कमरा नंबर 514 है. Your room number is 514. आपका कमरा नंबर 514 है. कमरे की चाबी. रूम की. कमरे की चाबी. कमरे की चाबी. रूम की. अपने कमरे की चाबी मत घुमाएं. Don't lose your room key. अपने कमरे की चाबी मत घुमाएं. Wake up call. 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 सलाम, मैं सुबह 5:45 बजे एक वेकअप कॉल चाहूँगा. Hi, I'd like a wake-up call at 15 minutes to 6 in the morning. सलाम, मैं सुबह 5:45 बजे एक वेक-अप कॉल चाहूँगा. अदायगी के बाद रुखसत होना. चेकआउट. अदायगी के बाद रुखसत होना. अदायगी के बाद रुखसत होना. चेकआउट. बराए मेहरबानी सुबह 10 बजे से पहले अदायगी करके रुखसत हो जाएं. Please check out before 10 a.m. बराए मेहरबानी सुबह 10 बजे से पहले अदायगी करके रुखसत हो जाएं. हल्का. लाइट. हल्का. हल्का. लाइट. हल्के रंग वाकई आपको जचते हैं. Light colors really suits you well. हल्के रंग वाकई आपको जचते हैं. सुनहरा. गोल्ड. सुनहरा. सुनहरा. गोल्ड. वो सुनहरे रंग के आई शैडो लगाती है. She wears gold eyeshadow. वो सुनहरे रंग के आई शैडो लगाती है. गुलाबी. पिंक. गुलाबी. गुलाबी. pink. सुअर गुलाबी हैं. Pigs are pink. सुअर गुलाबी हैं. चांदी, silver. चांदी, चांदी, silver. भेड़िए की पोस्तीन धूप में चांदी की तरह चमक रही है. The fur of the wolf is shining like silver in the sun. भेड़िए की पोस्तीन धूप में चांदी की तरह चमक रही है. मटियाला, बेज. मटियाला, मटियाला, बेज. मटियाला एक जर्द क्रीम रंग है जिसमें पीली झलक होती है. Beige is a pale cream color with a yellowish tint. मटियाला एक जर्द क्रीम रंग है जिसमें पीली झलक होती है. रस भरी, raspberry. रस भरी, रस भरी, raspberry. मैं रस भरी और ब्लूबेरी की आइसक्रीम पसंद करता हूँ. I adore the raspberry and blueberry ice cream. मैं रस भरी और ब्लूबेरी की आइसक्रीम पसंद करता हूँ. खांसी, कफ. खांसी, खांसी, कफ. मुझे खांसी है. I have a cough. मुझे खांसी है. लहसुन, garlic. लहसुन, लहसुन, garlic. लहसुन का जायका और महक इसके खाने पकाने की पहचान है. The taste and odor of garlic are its cooking trademarks. लहसुन का जायका और महक इसके खाने पकाने की पहचान है. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at urdupod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Alvida.
Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to urdupod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned the phrase क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Meaning, do you speak English? In this lesson, you are going to learn how to apologize in Urdu. There are a number of ways to apologize, but in a formal situation, you should use माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. The first word माफ literally means forgive, and कीजिए is a polite form of the verb meaning please do. So this expression actually means something like forgive me please. Now let's hear it again. माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए is used in formal situations when you're communicating with someone you have met for the first time, with elders, and usually also when communicating with women. It is not used among friends or people who are informal with each other. The informal way to say I'm sorry is maaf karo. Maaf karo. Let's review. Maaf kijiye is the formal way to say I'm sorry or excuse me. Maaf karo is the informal way to say I'm sorry or excuse me. These are all versatile phrases with a few different meanings, depending on the situation. Whether you are trying to get someone's attention for a question or making your way through a crowded area or apologizing for stepping on someone's foot, these are all phrases you could use. Now imagine someone says "Maaf kijiye" to you after having done something wrong. How would you respond? In this case, the proper phrase is "Koi baat nahi." Koi baat nahi. This means something like "It doesn't matter." Koi baat nahi. You might remember this phrase from lesson 2. It is the same phrase you can use when responding to someone thanking you. Now it's time for Afra's advice. If someone bumps into you on the streets in Pakistan, don't expect an "excuse me," especially in the big cities. Pakistanis are usually very friendly people, but just don't consider excusing themselves for bumping into someone as time well spent. Big crowds are very common in big cities. Unless someone pushes you over so hard you fell on the ground, keep walking. Are you able to count in Urdu? In the next lesson, you will learn the numbers in Urdu from 1 to 10. I'll be waiting for you in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned some words used when apologizing in Urdu, including "Maaf kijiye." In this lesson, you are going to learn numbers in Urdu. Yes, numbers. Tadad. From 1 to 10. And you are going to learn them in only 3 minutes. 3 minute. Are you ready? Let's start. एक, एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, दस, दस. Okay, now repeat after me. I will say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस. Great job. What is before ek? Do you know? It's 0, of course, which in Urdu is sifar. Sifar. Now you don't have any more excuses. You can give your friends your cell phone number in Urdu. Let's try it together. To say my phone number is in Urdu, first say the phrase "Mera phone number," then say your cell phone number and finally say "hai." Mera phone number. Your phone number hai. For example, मेरा phone number 9025572248 है. Can you understand it by yourself? 9025572248. Perfect. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Did you know that in Urdu, numbers have their own script that is similar to the Hindu-Arabic numeral system? Yes, that's right. They don't look like the numbers we are used to seeing in the Western world. But with just a little more effort, you can not only say the numbers in Urdu, you'll be able to read them as well. Do you know the Urdu word for 100? In the next lesson, you are going to learn the numbers from 11 to 100 in Urdu. Your task now is to practice the numbers we studied in this lesson from 1 to 10. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, we learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Do you remember them? Just in case you have forgotten, I'll tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's continue from 11. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Urdu numbers from 1 to 100 are quite irregular with no definite pattern. So the only way to learn them is to memorize them. It might seem daunting at first, but you will soon recognize a rough pattern. Now, here are the rest of the tens. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. While you have to memorize many of the numbers, there is a trick that will make memorizing them easy. Notice that 30 is 30 and 40 is 40. Do you remember what 3 and 4 are in Urdu? Well, let me remind you. 3 is teen and 4 is char. As you can see, the sound T of teen, which is 3, is used in 30 or 30. Teen, tees. Similarly, the sound cha in char, which is 4, is used in chalis or 40. Char, chalis. Do you see other similarities? 5 in Urdu is panch, while 50 is pachas. The common sound is pa. Unfortunately, this does not apply to all numbers. 60 in Urdu is sat, while 6 is che. As you can see, there is no common sound. The last thing to learn in this lesson is how to form compound numbers above 20. You already know that the number patterns in Urdu are quite irregular. So you might be wondering if you have to memorize each and every compound number. The answer is yes, you do. However, we are going to make your life a little bit easier with this brilliant tip. For any number between 20 and 99, you will say a variation of the numbers 1 to 9, followed by the tens. Let's try it out. How would you say 34 in Urdu? You first say a variation of 4, followed by a variation of 30. So 34 is literally read as 430, which is chontis. Here, chon is a variation of the number 4 or char, and tis is a variation of 30. Chon, tis. 61 is iksat, which is literally read as 160. Ik is a variation of ek for 1, while sat is a variation of sat for 60. Iksat. Let's look at one more number. 95. In Urdu, it is 95, which is literally read as 590. 50 is a variation of 5 for 5, and 90 is a variation of 90 for 90. 95. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Did you get until number 99? Here is another number you might want to know. 100. 100. That's 100 in Urdu. Congratulations! Now you're able to count to 100 in Urdu. In the next lesson, we are going to put your number knowledge to use. Do you have all the skills you need to go shopping in Pakistan? If not, I'll be waiting for you in our next 3 minute में Urdu lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to count in Urdu. I hope you spent some time practicing the numbers because they will come in handy in this lesson. You're going to learn how to go shopping in Pakistan. Before we go, you need to know how to say, how much is this? इसका दाम क्या है? इसका दाम क्या है? Are you ready to go shopping in Pakistan? Let's go. You see something you like and want to ask the shopkeeper how much it costs. The first thing to say to a shopkeeper is, माफ कीजिए. Do you remember what that means? Excuse me. माफ कीजिए, इसका दाम क्या है? Excuse me, how much is this? माफ कीजिए, इसका दाम क्या है? If you want to be more specific when asking how much is this and refer to a certain type of object, you just need to insert the object in between the word iska, between is and ka. Let's see an example. Suppose you want to buy a hat in the market. Hat in Urdu is topi. So, how much is this hat? In Urdu is, is topi ka daam kya hai? Is topi ka daam kya hai? But what if you want to buy several things? Then you would have to use a new word, inka, which means these. Excuse me, how much are these? In Urdu is, माफ कीजिए, इनका दाम क्या है? माफ कीजिए, इनका दाम क्या है? At this point, the shop clerk can answer by saying, इसका दाम, the price, then है, or ये, the price, then का है. For example, इसका दाम 50 रुपए है, ये 50 रुपए का है. What number is 50? I'm not telling you. Okay, it's 50. So altogether, this means it costs 50 rupees. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Another very common way of asking how much is it is, ये कितने का है? And if you want to be more specific and mention the thing you want to know the price of, all you need to do is insert the object after ye. Ye seb kitne ka hai, which means how much is this apple? At this point, can you count rupees in Urdu? We are going to learn how to do this and much more in the next lesson. I'll be waiting for you in our next 3 minute mein Urdu lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned the phrase "Iska daam kya hai?" meaning how much is it? In this lesson, let's take a look at how you might answer that question by counting rupees in Urdu. In Pakistan, the currency is the Pakistani rupee, but in Urdu, we call it rupeya. Let's try to say prices in Urdu. Start by trying to say 26 rupees, 26 rupees, 26 rupees. This is really straightforward. First, we say the number followed by rupee. There's only one simple catch. For all the numbers except one, you use the plural form rupees, which is rupee. Rupee. For one, you use the singular form rupee, which is rupeya. Rupeya. So 1 rupee in Urdu is ek rupeya. Ek rupeya. The Pakistani rupee uses coins for 1, 2, and 5 rupees, and banknotes for higher denominations, the highest being 5,000 rupees. On the other hand, the smallest denomination is 1 rupee, meaning there are no cents used in Pakistani currency. Let's see some more examples of currency. 87 rupees is 87 rupees. 87 rupees. Ready for another example? 44 rupees is 44 rupees. 44 rupees. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Often you will hear people saying paise instead of rupee. Although this might sound confusing, it's simply another way of referring to money. You should ask your friends in Pakistan if they want to go shopping with you to practice these phrases. But first, you will have to check if they have other plans or not. Do you know how to do that in Urdu? If not, I'll see you in the next lesson of 3 Minute में Urdu. फिर मिलेंगे. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi everybody, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 Minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to count rupees. Did you practice at home? In this lesson, we are going to learn useful phrases to talk about your schedule. For example, how do you ask your friend, "What are you doing this weekend?" Since you're asking a friend, we'll use the informal form. Let's start. To ask a male friend, say, "तुम इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रहे हो?" तुम इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रहे हो? And to ask a female friend, say, "तुम इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रही हो?" तुम इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रही हो? Let's break it down. तुम is the informal way of saying you. इस हफ्ते के आखिर में means this weekend. Next is में, which means in. After that comes the question word क्या, meaning what. And finally we have कर रहे हो, meaning are doing. This is used when addressing a male. When addressing a female, we use कर रही हो. Now what if you need to ask this question in a formal situation? It's very easy. We did it in lesson 4, remember? First, turn तुम into आप, the formal pronoun for you. Then just change हो to हैं because it's referring to आप instead of तुम. Everything else stays the same. So when asking a male, you would say, आप इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रहे हैं? आप इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रहे हैं? And when asking a female, you would say, आप इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रही हैं? आप इस हफ्ते के आखिर में क्या कर रही हैं? What if you are not asking about this weekend? Asking about a different time period is as easy as replacing इस हफ्ते के आखिर with another time period at the conjunction में with an appropriate one. Let's try it. Say you want to ask about a weekday, like Peer, Monday. Here you will use the conjunction को meaning on. So it would be आप पीर को क्या कर रहे हैं for a male and आप पीर को क्या कर रही हैं for a female. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is कल. In this case, you don't need a conjunction anymore. So you can just say आप कल क्या कर रहे हैं for a male and आप कल क्या कर रही हैं for a female. Now it's time for Afra's advice. So if someone asks you, तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो और तुम कल क्या कर रही हो, how can you answer? Here's an example. मैं दफ्तर जा रहा हूँ if you're a male and मैं दफ्तर जा रही हूँ if you're a female. This means I am going to the office. Feel free to replace daftar, office, with any other location. In this lesson, we learned how to talk about your schedule. Next time, we are going to learn how to use the verb hona, meaning to be. We'll also talk about how to tell people your nationality. I'll be waiting for you in the next 3 minutes में उर्दू lesson. फिर मिलेंगे.
Want to transform your driving time into language learning time? How much time do you spend in your car every day? 30 minutes? More than an hour? Why not put this huge amount of time to good use? Instead of just listening to the radio during your daily commute, you could be learning a new language instead. Here are 3 easy methods for learning a language in your car. You can put them to use right away with the help of our language learning program. First, you can listen to fun audio lessons by real teachers. Listening to lessons while in the car allows you to focus on the road as you listen and learn. In every one of our 3 to 15-minute lessons, our teachers teach you conversations, new phrases, and cultural points. Audio is the only learning medium that lets you learn and drive safely at the same time, so take advantage of all our audio lessons available. Second, you can set your lessons on autoplay and go hands-free. Our autoplay feature lets you keep your hands on the wheel without even reaching for your device. Just set your lessons to autoplay one by one with our Innovative Language 101 app and never have to interrupt your focus on driving to switch to a new lesson. Third, you can repeat out loud and speak from your very first lesson. You want to speak a new language too, right? Well, you'll start learning conversations minutes into your lessons. All you have to do is listen and repeat out loud. Our teachers take you step by step through all of the words, phrases, translations, and grammar points. You're even prompted to speak out loud and repeat. The result? You understand it all and can speak your new language. Turn your commute into language learning time and have fun at the same time. Learning doesn't have to be a big commitment, like signing up for a college class. It can be fun and easy. In fact, it's as easy as pressing play. Our language learning programs will do the work for you. And with the exposure you get while driving on your daily commute, you'll be speaking and understanding real-life language quickly. The best part? You can finally learn without even changing your schedule. So if you're ready to finally learn a new language the fast, fun, and easy way, sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Signing up takes less than 30 seconds, and you'll start speaking from your very first lesson. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye! Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.